We're going to let you listen to the entirety of this last midday chime for some time.
You've never seen a body quite the same as that of Houdini. Slippery like linguini, sneaking out a teeny weeny little space is small enough to fit your talent, David. You're not in shining, David. You're big as the dumb, but your bank account balance is, baby. Abracadabra, you billowy bitch. Man, you look like a pirate on the Las Vegas Strip. I'm swallowing needles and spitting out evil. You couldn't escape from a black paper bag. I'm batter with patter and matter of fact. You can't match all my skill if you saw me in half.
When I was a child, you were a god to me. I had to do what you do. Now, you're like a Chinese wall to me. Bitch, I'll walk right through you. This ain't the magic that you used to. I float a rose haze me like a flute. Migrate to loose and make your politics irrelevant. For the Lady Liberty, you're stomping on your elephant. You fail at making movies and you fail at making kids. You stick to what you're good at and lock them lids. Boom, here's a tidbit that might drive it nuts. I'll hack your shit and I keep it locked up. Yeah, the sudden biggest sight. You're a chunky stuntman dressed in tight. You talk shit about your hero. But you can look up to me now.
And there you go. That was the last time, for some time, at least until Remembrance Sunday, we believe, that bell will sound out across the city, out across London.